Hello and welcome back to the English Sphere podcast studio. I'm Alex, and I am so thrilled you're joining us today.
Absolutely, Alex. Today we're diving into an inspiring topic that can truly transform your life and your English skills.
That's right. We're discussing the 7 habits from the famous book by Stephen Covey, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
These habits aren't just for productivity. They can help you think clearer and grow stronger in life and in English.
Exactly. The beauty of these habits is that they can lead to small changes that yield big results.
And remember, throughout this podcast, we'll speak slowly and use simple words. You can listen, repeat, and speak along with us.
That's called shadowing. So are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started.
Let's jump into habit number 1. Be proactive. What does that mean to you, Alex?
Being proactive means taking control of your life and not waiting for luck or someone else to fix your problems.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I feel lazy today, proactive people say, I will move. I will try. It's all about choosing your response.
I love that. It reminds me of the story of the rainy day. One person lets the rain ruin their day, while the proactive person takes an umbrella and keeps going.
And every morning, if you look in the mirror and say, I choose my mood, it can change everything.
Absolutely. Now moving on to habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. Why is this important?
Having a clear goal helps guide your actions. Without a goal, you can feel lost, like you're just going through the motions.
Right. Imagine 2 students. One studies English for fun, while the other has a clear goal to travel and connect with people.
The latter will stay motivated longer because they have a vision. Writing down small goals can help keep you focused.
Exactly. And that brings us to habit number 3. Put first things first. This habit emphasizes prioritizing what truly matters.
So true. It's easy to get busy with trivial tasks, but what really counts is making progress on important things.
Let's say one person spends 30 minutes scrolling on their phone, while another practices English for 10 minutes. Who do you think will progress faster?
Definitely the second one. We should all write down 3 important things each morning and tackle them first.
Now, habit number 4. Think win-win. What does that mean to you?
It's about mutual success. When we help others win, we also win inside our hearts.
I love that. It's not about competition, but growing together. Like 2 students helping each other with their strengths.
Exactly. And habit number 5. Listen first, speak second. Why is listening so crucial?
Listening deeply fosters real connections. When people feel heard, trust begins to build.
That's right. And it's just like when you're shadowing. You need to listen before you speak.
Habit number 6 is synergize. It's about teamwork and leveraging each other's strengths.
Exactly. Alone we can do much, but together we can accomplish so much more.
And finally, habit number 7, sharpen the saw. Why is it important to keep improving ourselves?
If we don't take time to recharge and improve, we risk losing our energy and effectiveness.
Simple habits like moving your body, reading, and practicing English can refresh you for the day.
Fantastic work today. You've learned all 7 habits of highly effective people.
And remember, success grows from daily action. One habit, one word, one small step each day can change your future.
Make sure to come back to this episode often. Listen again and continue shadowing.
This is English Sphere Podcast Studio. I'm Alex, and I'm so proud of your effort.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Until next time.